In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Android phone. I will show you two methods. First is going to be through the settings app, and the second is going to be through the recovery mode. So first, open up your settings app, and in the search bar, type in reset, and click on factory data reset. For you, it might say data reset, or factory reset, or hard reset. Just find the same one and click on that. Then go to factory data reset. Here, click on reset, enter in your PIN. After that, click on delete all, and all of your data and your phone will be deleted. For the second way, we need to hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time and click on power off. Once your phone has turned off, you need to plug in your charger that is connected to your laptop or PC. I don't know if this is only for Samsung phones, but you need to keep the phone plugged in. Now, hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And now we have entered recovery mode. With the volume buttons, you can move down or up. And since you want to wipe or reset your phone, you need to go down to wipe data factory reset and click continue or OK with the power button. Go down and select factory data reset. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to reset my phone, but if you do, click on this button and your phone will reset and wipe all of its data. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.